Hey guys, it's me. So, even though I have only just turned 16, I've yet to find a situation that isn't added to by crying. Like, I've never found one. Pervasive question. I believe it was Dickens who wrote, "We never need be ashamed of our tears, for they are rain upon the blinding dust of earth, overlying our hard hearts." Whilst Lauren Conrad argues to never cry over someone who wouldn't cry over you. So, two really pervasive arguments. But for me, it's when the water comes out and everyone starts staring at you and you've won the argument because, suddenly everyone's like, "Oh my God, are you okay?" And you're like, "Yeah, no, I'm fine. I'm so annoyed that I'm crying." But you're not. It's exactly what you meant to do. But apparently, for some people, in an audition or a law firm, it's not as easy as just crying on the spot, which is, well, yeah. So I am here to share my top tips on how to force yourself to cry in a healthy way. The old proverb of Tumblr goes, "Tears are the words the heart can't express." Well, it's time to learn your lines. What do you mean?
Mum being dead, so she can't drive me to auditions.
He's dead. What do you mean? 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 Oh, he's dead. Oh. What do you mean?
I don't think I really know what pervasive means.
He's dead. What do you mean? Sorry, can I quickly... I'm making minestrone. You want any? What do you mean? And it really, really, really is as simple as that. But shh, don't tell Meryl Streep. If for some reason you still haven't found a method that works for you, then actually that sounds like a much more serious issue. Probably one to take up with a medical professional because. But for starters, maybe look in the mirror, ask yourself why you're so disconnected from emotions and human connection, because that must be so lonely. You must be so lonely. It's healthy to cry, so logic dictates that you're unhealthy, emotionally. Are you crying now? You're welcome. That was tip number 9. Please remember to like and subscribe